Alright, well now I don't know that the lighting or the frame is the same because my camera overheated and then my memory ran out, so doing great. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I thought it would be a good time to give you some ideas for gifts that you could give for a fellow scuba diver in your life. So I'm going to divide this up into 3 categories. The first category is going to be under $25. The second category is going to be under $100. And the third category is going to be anything $100 and above. So let's get started. First thing I have on the list are stickers or decals. You can find them on Amazon. There's like a bundle of scuba diving stickers on Amazon that I personally have. Of the 60, there's a good amount of them that are cute and I like. And then Etsy, there's always like incredible artists that you can find if you just search like scuba decal, scuba sticker. You can find amazing artists. You usually can get like way more creative things on Etsy as well, more unique. A lot of times there's a lot of things that you can personalize on Etsy as well, so that's a cool thing. And this is a lot about a sticker, so moving on. The second thing are keychains. So there's a lot of scuba keychains. There's like little, I'll insert pictures. There's little fin keychains. There's usually little tank keychains. Again, this is another place where if you go on Etsy, you'll probably find a lot of really cute and unique keychains for scuba divers. Next thing is logbooks. There's a lot of cute logbooks and they have all these different covers and things like that, so that's always fun. To have a cute little logbook, and usually like the stickers too are kind of fun. Like if you can find some fun stickers that they can decorate in their logbook. Next up is a strap wrapper. It's just a piece of neoprene that your rubber mask strap slides into, and they make a huge difference with comfortability in taking your mask on and off your head. Especially if you have hair, if you have long hair, it just makes it slide on and off your head so much easier. And they also usually have like different patterns and prints and pictures and fun things on it, so it's another way that you can personalize your dive gear. What's next? Do-rags. I'm gonna put do-rags and socks together. What is it, lycra? They're that lycra material. So the do-rag is just, it's a do-rag. It goes over your head. Just again helps with the hair so that when you put your mask on and off of your head, it's just a little bit of, it's just a cover for your hair so that it helps not get your hair tangled up very much. People that are bald also usually wear it because it's sun protection for their head. Next up, the socks. I guess I'm not going to group the socks together. If you have full foot fins where you just wear your bare foot in the sock, it can also help avoid blisters, and then it also adds as sun protection. So that's good too. The socks usually come in a bunch of patterns and colors and designs and things like that. So again, another way to personalize your gear. Okay, moving on. We're moving on to gifts under $100. First things up, we have sterling silver jewelry. Sterling silver jewelry. Etsy, again, I'm gonna point you to Etsy because there's a lot more unique and fun things that you can find, especially with the jewelry one. There's so many incredible artists on Etsy. There's also a couple of Instagram pages that I follow that have just really beautiful jewelry too. I'll add those here or wherever they fit. I don't know. The next thing is a dry bag. This is something I actually got for Christmas, I believe last year, and it's one of those things that like is kind of boring to buy for yourself. Like it's just kind of like not the fun piece of thing to buy for yourself, at least for me. I don't know, but game changer for owning and having if you're doing boat diving, especially. My phone, my camera, my dry clothes, my towel, my money, they go into my dry bag and then roll it up, clip it shut. Nothing inside of it gets wet because of the way it like seals up. I recommend getting one that's a backpack style. For me personally, I don't want to lug around something that's like only strapped on one arm. Something that somebody pointed out to me, which I thought is a good point though, was that because of the way you like roll the bag up and clip it, if you get a bigger one, you can always roll it smaller and then clip it. But if you have a smaller one and you need to put more in it, like you can't make it bigger. So if you're kind of tossing between getting a smaller one or a bigger one, you can't really decide what to get someone, I would go for the bigger one. Next up, we have Rash Guards. So Rash Guards are a great way to protect your skin from the sun. They also make it a lot easier to get your wetsuit on and off. So if you have like a slick piece of material there, you can slide your arms into your wetsuit a lot simpler than you can with it like on your wet skin. It kind of gets stuck and then you're like tugging and fighting against it. So dual function. And then usually, again, like many of the other things, this is where gear starts to come in more colors, more patterns, more designs, and things like that. That can be a lot of fun for you to have some more unique and personalized gear other than just like the black everything that gear usually is. And that's Rash Guards. What's next? When somebody brings a waterproof Bluetooth speaker on the boat so that we can listen to music between dives, it's always a good time. So a waterproof Bluetooth speaker, it's definitely on my list, but whenever anyone has one, I appreciate it. Next up is a water bottle. There's way too much plastic waste. We don't need to get into the whole plastic thing, but the single-use plastic water bottles, let's not. Oh, there's like this really cute scuba tank water bottle. That one's always really fun, but honestly, it doesn't really matter. Just a reusable water bottle. If they don't already have a reusable water bottle, get them a reusable water bottle. That's a good one to have, and they can use that always. It doesn't have to be just during a dive. Oh, they have these water bottles. It's on my list too because I'm a light packer. They have these water bottles that are silicone and they collapse completely flat. You don't have a big, heavy, bulky water bottle to carry around. I don't personally have one, so you know, I do have some like questions on how easy it is to drink out of because it's, you know, not rigid, but I'm very intrigued by it. So if anybody's used one, let me know. I'm curious. But a water bottle nonetheless, good gift for a scuba diver. Next is a dry towel. Oh my gosh, a dry towel. A dry towel is amazing. They dry really fast, they absorb a lot of water, and they don't take up a lot of space. What more could you ask for? I mean, if that doesn't sell it for you, I don't know what does. They're the best. Get a dry towel. And I'm pretty sure a dry towel is under $25. So maybe this is in the wrong group, but anyway, also a water bottle you could probably get for under $25 too, if we're being honest. But maybe you want to get them a really nice water bottle. The next thing is actually this map that I have behind me. I got this for my birthday this year actually, and I just think it is the coolest thing. It's a dive map of like the whole world, and all of the different countries have these, like their different dive site names, just tons of cool things, and I could stare at it for hours and I probably still wouldn't see everything. I think it's so cool. And then it comes in, let me look it up actually. So they have the dive map paper, they have canvas, they have canvas and paper, you could get a bundle, a towel, and then a coffee table map. So this one's the paper one. This map, it's great. Not sponsored. All right, anything above $100, sky's the limit. Let's go. First is a travel bag, so like a travel diving suitcase. Something to put your gear in so you can travel for whenever we get to travel. Alright, the next is dive light. Get them a dive light, a really nice dive light. There's some really cool ones that have like red lasers, so you can like point something out to somebody. And then a boat coat. Okay, so between dives usually is when you're gonna wear a boat coat. You're wet now, so you can get kind of chilly. You want something that's gonna be a windbreaker. Some of them are like fleece lined too. All right, now that is a whole bunch of different gift ideas for scuba divers. So if you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more, and I will see you next time until we dive again. Bye. A trip. If you get someone a trip, that's a great time. Can't really travel right now, so I don't know how great of an idea that is, but trip. A lot of times when I see scuba gift guides, it's like all the main pieces of gear, and it's like, well, yeah, like get a scuba diver scuba gear, groundbreaking. Dry towel. Dry towel, dry towel, dry towel. I don't know. I don't know why that's related necessarily, but I guess it's not, so we'll probably cut that.